won't let go.
Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at a little Vauxhall Corsa. Service history, 103,000 miles, in good condition. Okay, so it's a design edition, so it's got the like half leather look to seats. It's done 103,377 miles. It's got a CD player on there.
I wondered where your invite was, Clara.
Good sound on there. Whoa. Cut that. Yeah, it just needs fixing back up. So yeah, it's a nice little cutter. We'll just take it around the block so you can get a feel, see what it drives like. But it's nice and quiet engine wise. Just done a full valet on it, so this one is ready to go. It's got MOT till November 21. So let's just pull out and see how it drives. Okay, so let's just go for a little trottle around the block so we can see what it drives like. It does drive quite well. Yeah. Okay, so it cruises along quite nicely. Brake just heat and get that going. And the heat works well. Hot air. Just see what the cold air is like. Yeah, that works as well. Nice cold air. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, it drives nice, sounds good. We'll just have a look around the vehicle. Okay, so central lock-in, one key. It's looking nice little car. Alloy wheels, good tyres all round. Nice decent sized boot as well. Nice boot in there. Nice and clean inside. Thanks for watching and come back for more reviews on these cars. Thanks a lot and goodbye.